It's a Christmas stream. Put this one together, that was my plan. I wanted to enjoy my Christmas break and put together a machine. And this one has embossed aluminum paneling, some airbrush, and there's some hidden marbling throughout. You can see it in certain light. The white has pearlized marbling, and then these carry over. The paneling carries over into the tops there. But this was tough, guys. Super tough. Super, super, super tough. There you can see some of that hidden marbling coming through. See that shine? It'll disappear at certain angles. It's a Aristocrat converted to Speed King. It's got the converted internal switching, flat faceplate, Speed King logo up there. But it's an RB serial, so it is a, and the tolerances on these are so tight, guys, that you really have to push that down for it to hold, or else it'll pop up, because these are not meant to have 17 layers of paint graphics applied to them. But I did it, and after 2 hours of trying to fit it all together, got this Brutalist futuristic machine. I think it looks cool, and of course it always looks better in person, or not. I mean, maybe I'm just crazy, because I am crazy. You guys know I like to experiment. Yeah, you see how that shine inside there? It's very cool. Probably gonna do more projects like this. This was like my proof of concept idea to see if I could even pull this off the way I wanted to do it. And it worked. So hopefully I can refine my skills on that and do different engravings. But it worked out well. It's a great typewriter. Type's great. It's carriage locked right now. But Merry Christmas, guys. I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everybody if you celebrate this holiday. If not, then enjoy the video. Enjoy your time. I'm sure you get a day off or so. Hopefully. We'll talk to you guys later.